Hey guys, DaijahMichelle here and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this super cute, sleek high bun. Oh girl, yes. And this is especially for my girls, my fellow girls with the 4C hair, the good old super kinky. Sometimes it want to do right, sometimes it doesn't want to do right. But as you can see, I achieved a real sleek. Look at that look, girl. Ooh. She's nice and slick down, minimal flyaways. Yes, girl. Oh, also, I got new glasses yesterday. Ooh. So now I can see again. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this bun, keep on watching. First, I'm just starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm going to go in with my coconut oil as well as my Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner just to make sure that my hair is nice and moisturized underneath the gel. Next, I'm just using a claw clip to section off my hair, and then I'm going to begin the detangling process. Next, I just start brushing my hair upward to prepare it for the bun. Now I'm just using my Eco Style gel around the perimeter of my hair. This is the part where you really just have to work with your hair and make sure that it's combed through and brushed through very well so that you don't have a bunch of lumps in your head. And this is just, you just gotta work with it, because I definitely, like right here, I start getting tired and my arms start hurting. So just work with it and you'll get it, girl. So now that I've brushed through my hair the best I possibly could, I am just putting my hair up into a cute little puff. Now I'm just wrapping my hair around itself, and you can secure it with another hair tie or even a bobby pin. Now for the fun part, laying the baby hairs. I'm definitely no pro at this. I just kind of make it do what it do, and it comes out pretty cute most of the time. So yeah, just work with what you got and do your best. And don't forget, you need gel, edge control, and a toothbrush. Next, I'm just using this Emotions holding spray just to kind of seal everything in. And as you see, I'm going to go in with a towel around my forehead and remove the extra gel. I find that like once I put foundation on after, it'll flake if I don't clean it up. And then the most important part, your scarf. You need to wrap your hair up if you want it to be flat, and I just let it sit. I think it was honestly probably about 2 hours. But for however long you have in the morning, if you just have 15 minutes, like let your scarf sit on. Sometimes I'll even just have it on while I'm in the car and take it off when I get to wherever I'm at. And then this is optional, but I'm using some kinky hair and I'm just wrapping that around my bun to make it more full. The key to this really is just to find hair that matches your hair. and then wrap it around. There's no particular way to do it. And that's pretty much it. Then I just remove the scarf and instantly my shirt's changed, my makeup's done, and my edges are laid. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below your favorite hair product. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.